Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix QuickBooks Reconciliation, updated. Start by running reconciliation, locate mismatches, and post correcting entries. I'll walk through common causes like uncleared checks, duplicate entries, and split transactions. You'll learn systematic ways to isolate differences, use the reconcile window effectively, and make pinpoint adjustments without guessing. Stay calm and methodical, and you'll wrap up reconciliations faster and cleaner than before. Start by sorting transactions by date and amount to find obvious mismatches and duplicates. Check cleared status, descriptions, and memo fields to reconcile subtle differences. Look for bank fees, interest, or automatic transfers that weren't recorded in QuickBooks. If totals diverge, isolate a smaller date range to simplify troubleshooting. Use the audit log or transaction detail report to trace who made edits and when, which helps avoid repeating mistakes. When you identify an error, choose the least intrusive correction that keeps history intact. For missing fees or interest, enter a simple expense or income line keyed to the bank account. If you need to adjust balances, use targeted journal entries with clear memos and CGT-friendly accounts. Always document why you corrected a transaction and keep backup notes. Reconcile again after each fix to confirm the discrepancy is resolved and the statement now balances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.